So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mdesh right here. So in this video, I'll be breaking down how I caught 1 to 22 risk reward, which worth almost 700 and almost 337 pips on Nasdaq 100 yesterday. So if you want to see how I got this trade, make sure you watch this video to the end. Alright, so now let's go. And you guys should please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. It's a very new channel, so we're trying to build it. Alright, try to subscribe, turn on the post notification so whenever I drop a new video you'll be notified ASAP. Okay. Alright, so now let's start from the daily because this video is not going to be a very long one. It's very very short and informative, you feel me? Yeah. Okay, so here in the daily you can see we are kind of really bearish on Nasdaq. We are very very bearish on Nasdaq. As you can see, the market is creating lower lows. All right, so now let's just try to identify the peaks and drops here. So we had a low right here. So we had a break of structure to the downside at that point. Another break of structure. Another break of structure right here. Another break of structure right here. Alright. So you can see we are really bearish. We are just freaking bearish. Alright, sorry for using the word fucking. Okay, alright. So now let's go to the 4 hour. I'm trying to adjust this. Okay, to the 4 hour. Here in the 4 hour, we are kind of turning bullish actually because the internal structure is kind of really is turning bullish already. So here in the 4 hour, internal trend two is bearish, right? I'm talking about this trend right here. This one, this one right here. This one right here is kind of really bearish, right? Kind of really bearish because the overall trend is bearish. So here is the last low that we have. Let me try to break that down. Market structure right there. Let me break it down so you guys can understand what I'm trying to explain. All right, you can see we had a high right here, higher low, lower high. Sorry, lower low. Sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then we had an higher high right here. So here's where the change of character occurs. So now we will trace with the demand zone that causes change of character. So this is now a low, higher low. So we created higher low, higher high right there. Okay. So right now the market is now creating some sort of like fake breakout structures, right? Fake breakout structures. What do I mean by that? Like all these ones are just kind of really fake. Okay, they are kind of really fake because actually markets created another breakout structure right here, created another breakout structure right here, but rather after that market came down to come collect all these lows, right? Some people might think this is a change of character, right? Because actually we had a high rate, low, higher high, lower low, higher high, and a lower low. So some people might think there is a change of character and we're looking to sell from this supply zone, but actually there is not a change of character. Okay, just like you understanding the overall structure. All right, it's just stuff like you overall understand how the structure moves, like how structure works. Okay, so now let's try to label the structures right here. So we had a very nice change of character at that point. All right, very very nice change of character at that point. So definitely we have a demand zone here in the lower time frame, but I don't want to waste our time, so we are not going to check into that right now. So definitely we're gonna have a demand zone at that point here at the lower time frame. So right now you can see after this break of structure right here, let me try to capture that. So okay, we had a very nice break of structure here at that point. All right, so you can see we had some sort of liquidity, trend liquidity right here. I mean this one right here, trend liquidity right there, and we have a lot of imbalances at this point, like a lot, a lot of imbalances right here at this point. So if you guys check my my free Telegram group, you guys will know that I have already dropped the analysis right that we'll be looking to buy at this point right here, because actually we definitely have demand zone here at that point, and that will be the next, that will be our next point of interest, like our bullish point of interest, right? Why? Because actually, sorry, because after that we actually have a break of structure, so we should expect the market to retrace to come create imbalances and mitigate the demand zone right in this low right here. But actually, I think the market has already moved lower to that. I don't know, so I don't know what the market is trying to do right now, but just keep in touch. All right, so let's go to the 2 hour time frame straight away, straight up. Right, okay. Here's the demand zone actually. Okay, right there is the demand zone. Okay, you guys can see that that's a very nice demand zone at that point. And the market tends to move lower than that. So definitely, maybe we're going to look for a demand zone that is below, probably at this point, right? So now let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see, maybe you can find a very nice demand where you can buy off from. Okay, all right. So we can see this very nice demand zone right here. You can see this very nice demand zone right here. Uh, uh, okay. So definitely, this ones will be what's it called? Will definitely be trend line liquidities then, or inducements, because the market tends to disrespect this demand zone. So probably all these ones might just trying to be like trend liquidity, whereby the market will come try to mitigate this one right here, and we have some sort a small piece of imbalances, which is this one right here, which is this one right here. Okay, all right, you see that. So now here we have bullish pair of interest. Here is simply our bullish pair of interest. So the market, the trend is kind of really bearish before we mitigate our point of our bullish pair of interest. So I'm trying to take advantage of this bearishness. Like I'm trying to take advantage of the retracement. Okay. So now when I now analyze the structure, the bearish structure, you can see it's kind of really, really straightforward and simple, right? Because right here we had a low, we had a low right here. I'll show you that right in a sec. We had a broker structure right there. We had a low, we had another low right here, right? Another broker structure right at this point. Okay, so let's go to the 30 minutes so it can be really, it should be really, really clear. Okay, I guess we have another one right here, right at this point. So you can see we are really, the structure is really, really bearish, right? The structure is just kind of really, really, really bearish. All right, so actually, after the bigger structure, right, the market retraced to the upside. I don't know why it moved up higher than this one. I don't just know. So actually, the market broke the structure again, then mitigate again. So actually, it's mitigate this very nice demand zone. Sorry, this very nice supply zone above it right here, right? Above it right here. So after we had another break of structure again, so that's when I definitely know that the market will definitely expect this very, very nice or very, very small supply zone, which is this one. Okay. So just kind of it's just kind of a very, very nice and simple rule based thing. Right. So this is exactly where I got my entry from. I got my entry exactly from this point, and I was targeting this last low right here, which is a very nice 21 to 22 risk reward and worth over 337 pips. Right. So I actually held the trade for 2 days because it's kind of really range at this point. So I don't know. So yeah. I think it was the news that pushed it down though, because the move was very very fast, very very fast. I think the move happened in less than 3 hours or 5 hours. I don't know, but like it's very very fast. So I actually got my entry from here. Was looking for my take profit at this point, and then my stop loss was actually approved. It's high right here. All right, let me check something. Okay, so now let me show you guys the trade right here for my Telegram free group. Let me show you guys the trade and see how we got Nasdaq killed, bro. Got it killed for real. All right, so you can see a lot of free analysis and free breakdowns. Just try to join my group, my free group. Don't really a lot for real. So here's actually the trade. Here's the trade I took. Here's the trade. You can see very very nice trade, and here's the trade. Here's the trade outcome. So actually, I started the account from $6,000, 6,000 naira. It was actually 7,200 because I actually funded 2,000. And so I actually had some losses. So it now the balance just tried to jump down to 629 naira. So actually after the trade, I actually flipped the account from 629 naira to 104,000. So it was actually a very nice flip. Okay, and here is the trade. Here is the trade. All right, and see 337 pips. Very nice trade right there. And yeah, just here the before. Here the before of the trade. It was actually I actually dropped the trades to my students. Here was the before of the trade. You can see very nice thing right here. I dropped it to my student. And if you wish to join my mentorship, it's just actually $50. I'm sorry, it was actually $100 for 1.5 months trading. All right, so you get to trade exactly how I do, catch my snappers and free trades, free trade breakdowns, free before markup. So we're actually going to trade together. You know me. So live trading too. We did a lot of things, right? Just try to come to my free group and check the info right here. Here's it. Um, I'll try to go get that. Okay. I can see here is it. $100 access to our Ruby's trading strategy course. So it's actually a course. So you'll be given the course. You'll be given access to our Telegram group to chat with the other traders, live trades and breakdowns, live recaps and course videos, sorry, live question and answer session, trading quizzes, trade management, risk management, money management, certificate after completion. Like it's all you need, bro. It's all you need to make hitting this forex trade industry, bro. That's all you need. So yeah, that's actually how I caught this trade. That's actually how I caught this very very nice trade on Nasdaq 100, and I hope you guys learned something. So actually, if you learned something, just try or consider, bro. So actually, if you learned something on this video, or just subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop new video like this. So you'll be the first to want to watch. Right, so just try to subscribe, join my free Telegram channel, and when you join my free Telegram channel, if you wish to join my mentorship, just send me a DM at midday underscore Rishi FX. Right, that's my Telegram username. So just try to send me a DM, and then let's see. So right, bye now. Mm, That's all for now, guys. Bye.